friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the winner of our first contest. First, I want to thank you all for the great support you have given me. Let's see who are all participated in our contest. Mukunda M, Akshaya Rangasamy, Jagdish Jankit, Jnanavel Kishore, Vinod Ram, Vignesh Kumar K, Paniprata Das, Bhumi, AV Janiksha, AV Magima, IVK Aaron. And in this contest, I have asked only about our channel. You supported me a lot by answering these questions. Thank you so much. And the two winners is Mukunda and Akshaya. And the prize is portrait drawing of their suggested photo. And also I am going to send this drawing to their house free of cost. The first winner is Mukunda, and he suggested his sister Subhasri Satviga portrait. We'll see a lot of useful drawing tutorial in the upcoming videos. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.